Sorry about that. I forgot how YouTube works. Ooh, look at this.
Oh, here's our instructions. It says lock both axes before lifting the Paramount My T out of the box.
Lock both. So they're not locked when they package it?
Guess not.
That's
the
weird.
declination locking knob is located on the underside of the mount. What about the RA locking? Oh, they have a hand to draw to. Oh, another hand.
Can I pull this off?
No.
I think we need to grab it from both sides. I messed it up. Okay, all right, okay. Oh, mama.
How are you supposed to lock these knobs if it's in a plastic bag?
I guess you're supposed to cut the bag. Oops, I'm dinging.
You're a dinger.
Let's see who it is. Hello, gorgeous. Does it tell you how to lock it? What kind of mount is this, love? Do you want to say?
I already did.
In here you did? On the video you did? Oh, I missed it. Sorry.
In our instructions. It's going to be a while before I'm done with the instructions.
Okay. Well, this is where we'll leave off then. I guess I'll turn this around and try to aim it at myself. Sorry if I'm not really in the frame. Anyway, so that's where we're going to leave off for now. Probably do another video when it's up on the tripod and maybe plugged in and maybe doing some slewing tests. So wanted to share. It's unboxing day.